me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on.
Good morning, afternoon, and then evening, depending on your location. There's another beautiful handwriting from Mighty Hands Metalworks, as we call ourselves. Yeah. So this Mighty Hands Metalwork, Frank and then his boys. The Rasta man who sabi metal pass everything. So today here we come with a beautiful and an excellent handwriting. Wale, they see your handwriting. I say you go America. Go job for America. Go do attachment. You go do attachment for
China.
which can China? They go international. Mighty near.
Now the Chinese be everything.
Oh sure. From Tema to Ho.
So that was Frank for you from Mighty Hand Metal Works. I mean, Frank is our metal guy here on the channel when it comes to gates, installation, I mean, anything with metal, right? Frank is your guy, for you. And that is his number on the screen. You can call him for all kinds of work, right? If only it is about metal, trust me, Frank can get anything done for you. And if you want to see more, if you go to my playlist, it's called Frank Metal Work. You'll see all the amazing jobs that he's been doing.
Here we go again. This is Mighty Hands Metal Work for you. Yeah, this design we are seeing here is a barricade. Yeah, it's a barricade. And then today I would love to give some point or reason why we get our metals rusting in a few years after work production is done. This joint like this, you see, wherever there is a hole in the metal and then there is a water drop in, the water will not get access to come out, so it got rusties. So with Mighty Hands Metal Work, anytime we do our work, wherever we notice that that's the cause of the rusting and also damages of our burglar-proof gate and other stuff, especially when it's gate, the thing is showing outside. Yeah, there shouldn't be a hole at all where water can leak through. So we take our time to wet and dry nicely, apply galvanized primer before spraying. So as you can see, everywhere of these pipes has been wet, dry neat before spraying, so that it will prevent it from rusting or causing damage to our work, maybe in a few days or in a few years. So sometimes when we come on board to make this thing, we'll give you maybe a 1 month. That 1 month, all this I'm trying to explain, all this I'm trying to explain has to take a good time to be done. This filler work alone has taken 3 days for sandpaper and everything before finishing with the spray. So as you can see, there's no hole around anywhere of this particular design, which will make it last for so many years, as long as you want. That the only thing needed is once a year, you can apply a paint to it to keep it safe. And then when we come to our gates too, the same thing we do. This is our 45 cut. Here is 45 cut. This is where these two pipes are joined. Okay, so if you can see, here has been welded, covered fully, no space. And then the inside, the same thing, welded fully before putting these pipes in it, so that when the gate is standing, water will not penetrate through to cause rusting too. So mighty hands, this is what we do. And then sometimes too, we have sizes of the pipe. A long gate like this is almost 22 feet long gate. Okay, instead of we using, let's say, 2 inches or 1 inch for the flame, we don't do that. We use 3 inches square. So the surface here, as we can see, is 3 inches. And when we come to the down to here too, is 3 inches. So we have it in square. If the gate is standing, it stands very solid, which air air can't carry it. And then the tie too, most of the time, this the ties, the ray that run the gate. Some people say we put 3 ties and then don't know. It is only 2 ties, but the tie supposed to be at the end of the gate, not too far from it. Let's say from the end to where the tie is supposed to be like 2 feet. Yeah, that will make the gate row very solid, and then iron rod will be put in on the angle bar before. Yeah, that's another thing. And then when we come to our burglar proofs too, yeah, the same thing I showed on the Barrow Street, the same thing is here. As we can see, these places all has been covered with filler, sandpapered very well before spraying, so that water can't go inside the pipe. Sometimes people drill the pipe, they just put it inside straight and tackle it, leaving spaces or the holes all over. In few days, you could see if the window glass is not fixed on time, you could see say it causes damages to this particular pipe and this one too. And you can see the joint of the 45-degree cut. Yeah, the same thing is done here. Here is being covered. You could see there is no space anywhere that even an ant can pass then enter into the pipe. So mighty, the more we are doing, the more we are upgrading, and the more we. Good morning, good afternoon, and then good evening, depending on your location. This is a mighty house metalwork, Frank, the welder. As you know, these are some of our work. Today we just take a tour to various places. We have our handwriting, or where we have established our works and other stuff. We are here live in Play Waterfalls, which is the highest waterfalls in West Africa, here in Ghana Accra. Yeah. So these are some of our work. This is a table formed with metal, then also with wood. You can see how beautiful it looks. Nice and then heavy as well. So these are some of the things, mighty hands, we always come out. And you can see there's a there is a table here, which let's say it's a table, center table, formed with, this is metal, the black this thing is metal, and then with wood, as you can see. And then it also has its seat here, formed with wood, with foams. Then with this, it comes, the stand here is metal, formed by the same mighty, and then on top of it is a wood. You can see how it is screwed under, very strong and then heavy as well. So these are some of the things, mighty metal hands, we do. At the top there too, yeah, we have similar things. Then looking good, beautiful, as you can see. Gate here, metal with bamboo. This metal, and we have these solid bamboos in. This thing has been here for almost 6 to 7 years now, looking fresh and still strong. Yeah. And then we also do this. As we can see, to slide very smooth All by the strength of mighty. Yeah. Okay. We'll see take you further. The flowers too. The man is really a guy. He knows what he's doing. He's into business. Yeah. Well, everyone is welcome here to have fun, take pictures, whatever. Yeah. We still have some beautiful seats display here, metal and then wood. As you can see, the place is really beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. As you can see, and right there, zoom the camera. Right there is the waterfalls. As you can see, the water dropping from the mountain. We have upper and then the lower. So that is the upper side. As the water is raining down, pouring down, very beautiful. And when you look into this direction straight down, there is a beautiful flower strewn there, and you can see an arc. Very beautiful one day, looking in red shape, just like the sunset. Yeah, that metal was formed by mighty hand metal works, and it is something water circulate in, and we have where they open. If you open, there's a hole in it. You see the water dropping, which is a bypass. Maybe in case the sun is hot and you feel like maybe warming your body or refreshing your brain or whatever, you can go there under it, open for water to drip on you. That's a very nice, beautiful art there by mighty metal. So when it comes to metal, mighty hands is the best for you. The Rasta man and then his brothers, as you are saying, this is the squad. We have one who is not among us here on this tour. We came today purposely. We just come to have fun with another beautiful lady. Hey, compound overseer, what's up? That's our compound overseer. So as you can see, it's a very beautiful handwriting for mighty hands metalworks. A lot is going on. So you who never contact mighty, we're waiting for your calls. Yeah, contact mighty hands for your correct, perfect, and then strong metalworks in any form you want it. It can be in form of gate, it can be in form of pergola, it can be in form of table and chairs, anything at all. Room deco, like maybe with metal cut design, whatever, mighty hand is there to deliver you. Trust we are the best, and we are doing it so beautiful, nice, and also with a cool price, with a solid material. This is the circular I'm talking about. Yeah, I wish our gardener is here to open the water for us to see the display, the way it comes. Yeah, it's very beautiful, and then amazing place to be. And to you who maybe wanted to come over for some weekend vacation with your family and friends to be at the waterfalls, yeah, you can still contact Mighty Hands Metalwork. We will do all the necessary arrangement for you to get here safely, relax, have a peaceful mind, and then enjoy your weekend. So as we are saying, that's the waterfalls, the highest waterfalls in Ghana. Thank you. Stay tuned for more update from Mighty Hands Metalwork. Bye bye for now.